The question says that a closely wound solenoid of 800 tons and area of cross section 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square carries a current of 3 ampere. Explain the sense in which solenoid acts like a bar magnet. What is its associated magnetic field? Now, let's first understand what a solenoid is. A solenoid is a coil of wire designed to create a magnetic field when an electric current passes through it. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is uniform and resembles the field of a bar magnet. The resemblance occurs due to the alignment of magnetic field lines creating clear north and south pole. Now, how does the solenoid mimic a bar magnet? When the current flows through the solenoid, it generates a magnetic dipole moment, and the solenoid behaves like a bar magnet with a distinct magnetic moment pointing from south to north pole along its axis, that is inside. Now, magnetic moment is defined as M, that is equals to N times I times A, where N is the number of turns of the wire of the coil and I is the current flowing through it, and A is the area of cross section of solenoid. That is area of cross section of solenoid is this. Now, we have assumed here that this coil wounding is so tight that we can assume that each and every coil is a circle. So magnetic moment is defined as N times I times A. Now here the data has been given for the number of turns, the current in the solenoid, and the area of cross section. After substituting in this formula, we will get a value of 0.6 ampere meter square, which is the magnetic moment of this solenoid when the current is flowing through it. Thank you.